How to add link on Canva on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to add link on Canva in just few simple steps. So what you have to do is just choose on the text and tap on the three dots and scroll down until you find the link option. Now tap on it and here you get the option to add link. Now I want to add Spotify link. I go to Spotify and then I copy the link and paste it here and tap on done. Now the link has been added. It's as simple as that. You can just now go to download option and download it in PDF, and once it is downloaded you'll get to see the link. But while it's downloading, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up to the video. So after it is downloaded, you'll see that the downloading has been done. So click on it, and once it opens, you'll see that once you tap on the link, it will take you to the spotify.com. And that's it. You've successfully added your link on your Canva. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.